Ketenat social welfare jong sarkar jela lingba menteri beri kemi ikani ketenat ubak pol lingdo kala pentem banaki center ki baret hado khat arspa nrupnru tuli lakentiu kerdan yaki syaki agan wadi center. Habakran cikilat patai kubor akan nok pai singi jong henriu tere urisau arjar pulai ubak pol lingdo ula pentem bagajing siu sikinong tre lapen kiu nakalai jar sanspa tingka syakasau jar sanspa tingka. Ula angru baka tenat kan satung temai ru sasan poingot ki supervisor dagi kentai na kebenta kini ki agan wadi center.
Ngilala menyok menta artli ki ba kraw. Kawai kalong ba lakentiu ya kekerdan jong kini ki 1000 aspa enriu pundu teli ki anggan wadi centers kata na kekerdan jong ki mini centers lain ki center ki barit Syaki main center selain lagi center kiba here. Sejar aspa enru teli, but kawai pekawai ke center kan don iway i worker, but iway i helper. De iway worker inyo ketulop kaba honorarium kabangi lah kentiu nakalai hajar sanspa sibenai syaka saw hajar sanspa sibenai. Appointment lain ke jingtung yaki helper kebenwan thamai ke belong arajar aspa sanpau cibenai kum ka baiburam honorarium uniform kiban poi 1000 arset kinyo 1000 shi snem ke kedor jong kowe set ki dawai ki ya ki bang ngila kentiu menta haborok ki center nak news pa sanpau syaka khatsan spa Tegashi snem ki baitar la kentiu nak nyo hajar syaka shibo hajar na bantasan snem but ke additional cost ke jinglot ke pami tam nang ta belong sa lai hajar dengan nam tasan snem ki administrative expenses bede bicing penyak ki office nak shi hajar syaka arajar shi snem ngintung thamaru san pawai ngut ki lady supervisor na benda kini siajar aspa ndripdriki center ka jinglut jingsap hangni ka long pras pa art undrio point lai pra lang na kini ka jingbe tingka na ka sarkar kemi ka long kendai 4% pat kan poi new spa sop holai point new sau lak ka state share ni ka jing ai bha jong ka sarkar jala kalong prapu ar point Andrew Sau Lap. Di nalor kata ngilayo ru ya ki center ki bathamai ki ba ngilaya kun borok si kata mentangi sultanat menong ba arspa Andrew teli ki center ki bathamai kin nginyo man sedang do kajala ke jongi hakini ki center kin don arspa Andrew ngut ki workers aspa andru bundri ngot ki kemut ki nong trei aspa andru bundri pada ki helper lani ki nong yarap de kini kita bentar ki bakunsan jong ki project jong ki sanction but ba ka la betha ba ka state government kan shim ya ki senjam bantung ban ai training ya kini ki functionaries ki nong trei ban penyo yaki tiar baki jing don kambaro ban pentikna ba kini ki center kilong operational ni ki stang trekam ploy kat bala. We will be able to do that within the next 1 year, but since the center has asked us to submit compliance by October, the 1st of October, so we will we will convey to them that we have received this sanction and work will start immediately within this post monsoon season.
So the funding pattern is
90-10, yes. Kini kita kiba ki shnong lani ki society ki recommend but ki himaki but ni tumbek daki locals na ki shnong. Hajing sisa ngi insist bagi di 12 pass teh babun ki jaka ngi mio kita tingi sim diki 10 pass. We have the population norms But in case of hill states, due to paucity of population and uneven distribution of population, sometimes we go to a village, sometimes two villages share one center.
So this 246.
The new ones.
Yes.
The news is 266. New centers these are to be created, newly created centers.
And these will cover how many villages?
We will try to see that we at least combine a couple of villages because the shortfall is a lot. But in case the topography or the location is a challenge, then we will have just one center for a village. Already the list has been worked out, and I can share this list with you. But in these uncovered villages also, since we have launched the Early Child Development Mission, that mission, the volunteers under the mission will be supporting the nutritional needs of children in the uncovered villages. Kam ke jongki ya ke pemerintah ke bun hi kedai bat ke jing penbit pendiang ya ke midday meal scheme kene ke bangi ai ke bam ke bangi ong ke supplementary nutrition nalor ke tangi don kini ki bangi ong ki hot meals but hakini ki snong bele ki bangi 4 don ki center ngidon ke take home ration kelane ke bangi penpoi ya ke bam shaki ying jongki badon kini ki kena lingba ki dor basnong bat ki self help group
Kongret kino
Yeah,
Pihak pandai check up em
I not say kan thia.
ya
Ila banai la syam tayuru. Sele yu dan Islam kendia.
Islam kendian PE takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemishwa bandap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat Islam.
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control
Patas HIV ya lede haka bor ba pile check up ning bang haba armet.